everybody, so I got a quick tool haul to do. I got the third package. This is going to be part 3 from my first Acme Tools order, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright, so this is going to be part 3 of my first Acme Tools order. And I shipped 3 of them all separate. This is not the only things I ordered from Acme Tools. I'm waiting for my second order and third order. So we're just gonna, there's a big box, says Acme Tools on it like the rest of them. Building, remodeling, woodworking, landscaping, acmetools.com. And that kind of reminds me of jigs. You get a little invoice, a bunch of little packing balloons, which half of them are flat. This box is in excellent condition from what I saw when he handed it to me. He also is going to be dropping off stuff for tomorrow, which I don't know why they use such a big box for one small medium-sized item, but they did. I'll use it for something. So what we got is this is M12 fuel driven outperform Milwaukee 5 3/8 circular saw bare tool. This is 2530-20. When I bought this was the third item I bought that came with the free 6 that I got in video 1. I will link video 1 up here if you guys if you want to go check it out. I'll leave it up here. I got this free 6 in the first video. I got 3 free 6s. I didn't pay for them. I got 2 kits that came with batteries. Got a free 6 for each, and then a bare tool. I got a free 6 for each. I also posted that information on Instagram. On this side. We're going to open it real quick. Actually, I'm not going to open it on this video. I'll do the unboxing on another video, but I will read the information right here. Specs, 3600 RPM, arbor size, 10mm cut depth. At 90 degrees, 1 5/8. At 45 degrees, 1 1/8. Maximum bevel, 50 degrees. Length and weight, it's 12 by 12 3/8 inches long. It is 5.35 pounds. Like all of them, they come with a part number, which is 2530-20, and a serial number sticker on them. That's how you know that they're legitimate tools. Like every other toolbox that Milwaukee has, 5-year warranty. Same information on the back. Has a 1 5/8 cut capacity, up to 170 cuts per charge. Increased productivity when you put it with cuts. 170 2x4s. It's referring to, I don't know if that's a 6 or a 4. And just some graph information. But that's it for this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Stick around for the unboxing. It will be on the next video. Thank you guys. I'll see you later on. Peace.